Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And here if you see, that is Hareshwar Adventure Love Life.
Hello guys.
So today what we are going to do is we are going to show you the motovlogging setup that's done on my helmet. So we'll do a walk around and the things that we have done on my helmet. So this is the SMK helmet that I had purchased, and if you see, this is the GoPro adapter. Without this the mic would not work. So if you notice over here, I have used the hot gun glue to make it waterproof. And this is the lavalier mic that I have used, the Boya one. So it has a battery. If you see, here is the battery option. You can install the battery and it would work, it would record the voice. So this is the mount that Hareshwar had helped me installing it. So that's the M-Seal one. And just have a look onto the camera. So what happens is, if you see, this part is an aftermarket part of Ulanzi. This does not come with the GoPro. So what I had done is I had purchased it from the AliExpress long time back. So I have also purchased a waterproof case for the GoPro. I'll just show you. So this is the waterproof case that I had purchased from Amazon. It costed me around 800 to 900 rupees. I'll share the link on the description. And what desi jugaad that I have done is, using the soldering iron, I have made a hole over here, and we would put the mic adapter connection onto this and use the blue tack to make it more stable and make it waterproof. Okay, so just wait, I'll just show it to you how we have done it. So this is the blue tack that I had purchased it from the local shop. I'll just do the waterproofing. So this is the reusable one, so you do not need to worry about it. And if you see, this has stick and it has become waterproof. So now, using the blue tack, now it has become the waterproof. So if you see, water would not go inside and would not damage my GoPro. So I'll just mount it and show you how it works. So this is installed over here. That's the GoPro Hero 8. This is the mic adapter. And now what I can do is I can use this setup in heavy rains and it would not affect my camera or the mic adapter. Okay, so all those who had queries about using it in the rains, if you can use it or not, by doing this you will be able to do it. You can use it. Good morning everyone. So today it is raining. I would be testing my waterproof setup and I will share the reviews also. Let's hope it works. So today I am going towards my office in Chembur. It is still shut and it's been almost 5 months and I'm not sure when it would start again. So this is the first time that I would be riding in rain with the GoPro. So I'm not sure how it would be recording or if my sound is recorded or not. So feeling great riding in rain. I love riding in rain and it gives more confidence. So riding in rains is not easy. You need to be much more careful than riding it in the normal season, because your tire may slip anytime, or you would have to brake suddenly, and there are many things that you would have to take care of. बस यही है जो मैं मिस कर रहा था. Just have a look how it is. I'm on Vashi Bridge right now, and so the traction control is saving me in rains. As soon as the bike feels that the traction is losing, it would cut out the power from the engine itself. Let's rock it. I'll be reaching my office.
A few moments later.
Going back home. I believe it is still working. I'm not sure about the sound, but I can see the recording is still on. So once I reach home, I will see if the voice was recorded or not. So the reason for behind me doing this is because the door, the Hero 8 battery door, is an aftermarket one, and I'm not sure if it would be a waterproof one or not. So just to be on a safer side, I had ordered this waterproof case and did the jugaad. It's raining heavily over here in Vashi. I'm at Vashi Bridge. So it's a proper test of the waterproof thing that I have done. It's so much fun riding in rain. At the same time, it is too risky also. अरे बाबा ये क्या हो गया गलती से. Ending this video over here. I have reached Vashi, and I hope you are liking my videos. If you do like my videos, hit the like button and also the subscribe button for future updates. Chalo, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.